umugambi w'ensi n'abasanyi baye nabwate obuzima gocha agoro bole muiga gache nyumbaga ararororo amenyo aragerega akira lituko aronyore getande sakurara era atarega jijuta kwanya bantu bigonyega that is it ekekugera onde tayo tugukani na bantu bae ba UDA kumuranye nyumutagete gocha komenya gusinu jimomenyega mugambe n'abantu baito ngora lakini mubaza guita abantu baito guita abantu baito yero is not acceptable akumuki abana b'abantu obatumenga bati kosalimizangikana y'abantu erinde bakikuitoro ekiri ntotanya kwibera nasi nenda abantu baito bakusindo tagitigenteke nende buno tokwanesa abarayi n'abantu bandi ayena mangana mabeto tatakirukimi katole merani tokale siasa n'uburonge n'ubuya n'amasikani n'ndokogenda nechikora n'abantu babwata tatali umuntu babwata tokwana n'abantu abamora n'amasikani and then tokagenda lakini ngo chikusalimizangikana y'abantu nende tigante by'abana baminto bali n'abantu abakugamba tata ngainia ngainia tumiyo bongo kwa ngainia engi ya jende gatenaji kabwati sanduku jembera imekabekera nguno mora marama dako tenene zebe ndore serikali inoroche zeroche dako ngainia that's what I'm telling you ngainia aya bantu bakotomoje kotoma abantu baminto je kuita abantu ino abumbali bantu benginto nje message yane sabana abaminto na ina abana baminto na inde tubanjete stoliko barama na kekwa rande mokoranda liko ramunde goto banjete na abana baminto bale doko basikeze gasaba bakora na umbaka bwati saba bujyaho cyo bakore ibintu bakora lakini basarura kamuranje ngainia ya tule karuo uso notari boy ya tule karuo ya zaba siseni nenda abantu baminto bagusi kwa abakere mbuya mono isama sikeni mu atoroki no kwajaniyo bonwe abana baminto murasobola yabonzi seneta n'abacumbe n'abajumbe bw'ibiro tuanjane ngeche kubire togendie kusiye itoika yasaye nabaza itora abantu baite ngeche kabire ngamne no morembe tali uko nakubeta n'ibiti ngeche na ine ndo basonye kora amaramana tokora morembe tokora masikani tubeka bagusiba ito bonzi byamo nende kwa ninge ndukibo bizingo jigande bozingo ani ugeri ndata iko igende dokoliye bagusito ikere ga ari z'abantu bande bale tonyore nzira zo kwanyira abantu dokoliye jayo gari tonyore nzira zo kwanyira abantu ne n'abantu beto tokolera ne kana tokolera abantu beto tokugenda isikolire abantu beto tokolera abantu beto mubasa no chocolate mangana yande ngainia ikurate anene ngaki abantu baminto karagenda ki ngainia ezimo ko banyora tebi abana bali baminto baronga ki tatondana ngainia wana are determined and ready to work together to bring about change. In doing so, we don't have personal grudges with people. We are basically doing what we have to do. We chose democracy as a multi-party democracy. What that means is that everyone has an opportunity to engage, everyone has an opportunity to persuade people along political lines. It is very sad, some of the things that we are seeing here, where people want to use violence as a means of political intimidation and so on. Some of my colleagues are going to talk about that in some level of detail, but we have to condemn this. This is lower than impunity. 6 decades after independence, we cannot lose lives because we are trying to help certain people survive in their political offices. We need every life. One life is one life too. Let's ask our leaders. Political differences are fine. We don't have to agree all the time. When we do not agree, let us execute them with a measure of business. We don't have to kill people. We don't have to send people and so on. Some of the people that I'm told were involved in this, even young people have been hired and recruited from even outside of GC and Yamil, and then they have been brought in for this particular purpose. How can you turn against your own people? Because I don't understand. I find it difficult to call these people leaders. How can you turn against your own people? How would you want to kill your own people? And there's no crime they have done except that they have expressed a different opinion from yours. So we want to ask our brothers and sisters in leadership, let's be decent people, let's get some work done, let's have a conversation, and let us allow our nation to make a decision on how they want to go. We are confident and we are sure about the things we are saying because we understand this country. There is near unanimity in this country, as you saw yesterday, all the way from Narok to Bomet and all the way. There is near unanimity in this country. Our colleagues in the administration have not performed, they have not delivered on their promises, and it's time for them to do a decent thing. The decent thing is to itself to go through a democratic process that replaces them, so that Kenya can have a government that they can work with and they can respect. And in saying so, we are not committing crime. We are citizens of this country who love our country. We want our country to succeed. And we want our country to succeed and operate in the frame of efficiency and decency in the manner in which we operate. So we urge all our leaders, even those who do not agree with us, that is fine. Persuade people. Yesterday when we were in Karoka, and this is the last contextual thing I want to say, I said this, that you can actually, you know, even come here and live here. If you want to live amongst us, we are very